conviction to conversion. Darby and the rest of them of that era never had it. Never had conviction to conversion. They walked in. And when they walked in, they gave an academic reply that they were Calvinists. Election. Eh? Because that's what the people wanted to hear. Election, election, election. But nobody inquired, how did you come in, Mr. Darby? How did you come in, D.L. Moody, Mr. Finney, Mr. Tozer, Mr. Spurgeon, Smith Wigglesworth, J.C. Ryle, Christmas Evans, Henry Grattan Guinness, Cyrus Schofield, Amy Semple McPherson, Billy Sunday, and others too numerous to mention. How did you all come in without having a wedding garment on? Friend? You've just become our enemy. Let us be careful. Let us be careful. Now this is to be put on YouTube. And no doubt what we say in these expositions, it will take us down for about the 12th time of this media system. But we hope to get our own site up and paid for. So it can't be taken down. And we'll leave it at that. But Jesus Christ here declares against millennialism and Arminianism and all the doctrines of men and devils. And the Sabbath, he is our Sabbath, our day of rest. He is because he is our justification. He is our justification. And if there is a nurse out there, or a police officer, or a power station official that has to work on the Sabbath day, they will automatically know, if they're Christians, to set another day aside. Because the day that is the Sabbath is not to be worshipped, but is to be treated as a day of rest. Acts of mercy. Oh, acts of mercy. As Christ says, acts of mercy and of convenience must be attended to. We've got some wicked people, you know, out there. Wicked people that have all hospitals vacated of staff on the Sabbath day. Wicked people. We'd have all the police stations shut down on the Sabbath day. All the electrics shut off, the gas shut off, everything shut off. These Pharisees, and that's all they are, have the wrong interpretation. They're worshipping a day instead of worshipping God.